Welcome to another Affiliate Syndicate review video. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of the Affiliate Syndicate and how it can help you achieve the financial success you've been looking for with affiliate marketing. Please make sure to like this video, smash the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. But first, let's talk about who is the best fit for the Affiliate Syndicate. The Affiliate Syndicate is for anyone who is struggling to make money through affiliate marketing. It's also for anyone who would like to start an online business without it taking months on end to get it set up and running. The Syndicate is for anyone who is tired of the same old routine, working 9 to 5, 40 to 60 hours a week. Never really achieving your goals, and never able to spend time doing things you really want to do. So let's take a look at some of the benefits of this revolutionary solution that can change your financial situation forever. Benefit number 1. The Affiliate Syndicate is designed to give you instant access to an all-inclusive, done-for-you business you've always dreamt of. Benefit 2. You'll unlock one of the most powerful business systems on the planet with all the tools and resources you need to be successful. Benefit 3. In just a few days, you'll start to experience the fact that you have a fully automated business with multiple streams of income. With the Affiliate Syndicate system, you will have an up-and-running profitable affiliate business in just 7 days, even if you're starting from scratch. Imagine having your own affiliate marketing business, with all the financial freedom assets built in for you within just a week. But it doesn't stop there. Benefit 4. The Affiliate Syndicate is also designed to provide you with a 100% done-for-you affiliate business hub with high-converting affiliate offers built in. No need to waste your time searching for affiliate programs to join or products to sell. We've done the hard work for you. But wait, there's more. We've included over 20 of the best courses on the planet, covering everything you need to know about marketing. Internet traffic mastery, list building mastery, tribe building mastery, and so much more. With the Affiliate Syndicate, you'll have all the knowledge you need to skyrocket your success. Also, when you get started with the Affiliate Syndicate, we have included a special super bonus that will absolutely explode your business to levels never seen before. This is our exclusive 24-hour first page ranking on Google and YouTube system. You can literally get any video on the top listing of YouTube and Google within 24 hours and drive massive traffic to your offers. Hardly anyone knows about this. But it's yours when you join up the Affiliate Syndicate. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste another minute struggling with traditional affiliate marketing methods. The Affiliate Syndicate is here to revolutionize the industry and change your life forever. Elevate yourself to the top and start enjoying the success you deserve. If you would like to pick up the Affiliate Syndicate system, go to affiliatesbusinesshub.com or click on the link in the description. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching.